Hi, so in this video I will show you how to do a half stitch. So this is essentially one half of the cross. So it sounds pretty straightforward. This is so you don't have things that look this looks quite blocky. You've got sort of two down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, and then 2 back up. So I've got a really blocky neckline here, but you just want to round it out a little bit. You can see I've already pulled my needle up through the side over here. Now what we're going to do is just go along diagonally, put the needle through, come down and pull that tighter, and then come up on the other side. Just do the same thing. So we're only just doing one of the crosses as opposed to two of the crosses. And back down. Okay, so I'll just put that one tighter. I'm just going to scooch that one over. There we go. So now we have a bit more of a rounded neckline.